Hey guys, welcome to the new video of AG Framework. Today, we are going to install Groot Development Present Duty System v2. So first of all, you need to visit their official QBOX website. I'll provide you the link in description after reaching their website. You will get multiple options. You have to just click on escrow script here. You can find most advanced duty system. Just click on it. Here you can find the Groot Duty System v2. It's fully tracking device on your daily schedule that you are clock in and clock out with a built-in duty menu. Also, you can directly give item for the clock in and clock out players. Same goes to the stat system. You can directly provide the stress system. Also, you can see the leaderboard based on the duty hours. Same goes to the reward system. Also, you can provide them a specific reward after completing a certain hour of work. Same goes to the protection and database. Save system. It's also very interactive and everything is noted on the logs. You can use Discord logs. Same goes to the Google Sheets also. So don't worry about the integrations. Also, you can also use the admin command to remove the database. Also, you can directly add the database or add any export to directly use the script. It's freely configurable, so you don't need to worry about that. So now just click on Add to Basket. Make sure to log in with your CFX ID. After adding it in your basket, you need to click on Proceed Checkout after completing your payment. The script will be received on your Key Master ID. Here you can see, already got it. Just click on Download and save it to your computer. Then open the file, click on Extract here. Make sure if you didn't see our previous video on the Groot Paycheck system, I'll suggest you to see the video because it's integrated with each other. If you are using both of the script, you will get extra advantages, so make sure to use both of them in the combination for the special advantages. Now open the file here. You can see, I opened it here. You can see multiple files are there. Just click on README and open it here. You can find their Discord server link, also the documentation link, so you can directly join the Discord server if you are having an issue. Also, we'll provide you the link in description. Same goes to the document. I'll provide you documentation links also in the description. So I'll just first open the documentation here. You can see we open the documentation of the script. So first of all, you need to, of course, own their script. After that, you can directly arrange it with the proper answer in your server CFG. After that, we can directly configure our framework. It supports QBCore, QBOX, and ESX. Same goes to the inventory system. It supports OX inventory, QB inventory, RCore inventory, and QoS inventory. Also, you can add more inventory. We'll open the part of the inventory, adding sections so you can add your own inventory. For the traverse, same goes to the target system. It is defaultly supported, OX and QB target. You can add your own target if you want to add. Well, it's automatically detect your preset target. After that, you can find the two dependencies. First, dependency is OX-MySQL, and second is the G notification. It's the optional dependency. You can buy them, or you can use your own notification system based on your interest. After that, you can see it has a database system, but you don't need to add the SQL manually. It's automatically detect your database. Make sure to enable the auto import SQL true in the configuration. So of course, in our case, we will automatically inject our database. So if you are having any issues with SQL, you can also use the SQL manual injections. Probably this SQL files are provided into your main folder, so you don't need to worry about that. After that, you can find some exports. As there, you can use the clock in, clock out duties directly through this. Export, same go to the saving duty hours. Also, you can directly get their times leaderboards and Bossman exports, so you don't need to worry about that. After that, it's also provided the creation of Google Set. You can directly follow their Google Sheet creation video. Also, if you are using the Discord webbook, you don't need to worry about that. I also use the proper demonstration and working principle of Discord webbooks. So now just close the documentation and open your main server directory here. You can see it's our main file. Now just open the SRC folder. Here you can find multiple files. Just open the shared one here. You can find two configuration. First is the config and is the server. Config, so we'll open the configs here. You can see at the top of the script, you can find the check auto update. It will automatically check your script for the latest update. After that, you can find auto import SQL that we told you previously. Make sure to enable it. It will automatically inject your database in. so you don't need to worry about the manual injections. After that, you can find the system settings for the language. You can directly add multiple languages. Also, you can add your own language, so you don't need to worry about that. After that, you can find the debug mode. I'll suggest you, if you don't know what you are doing, you not to do anything. Because if you are having any type of error that you are not finding the way how to fix it, then you can enable the debug system for demonstrating the error and fix it out. After that, you can find the theme system. It's defaultly set it all at the theme 3. You can select multiple themes. Also, you can add your own theme. I'll show you the path. Also, after that, you can open the menu through Target Text UI. Also, you can use your own custom export way, so you don't need to worry about that. In our case, we'll open it through the target system only. After that, you can find the clock in item. It means if you are using clock in item, when you are on duty, we'll get some specified item automatically added into your inventory. After going up duty, the item also removed from your inventory like a radio or any type of PD weapon that you want to select. After that, you can find the force job update. It will automatically update your clock in and clock out status based on the radius area. You can directly enable it or disable it. So after that, you can find the clock in duration. You can directly see the clock in clock out. Progress bar based on the duration. Its default is selected with 5 seconds. You can also increase the progress, but time also decrease it. After that, you can find the text device setting. You can directly add your own text UI. In our case, we are using the OXOOX left, so we'll just leave it as default after that. You can find the image formations. Same goes to the notification. You can add your own notification after that. You can find the icons for the target eye that you are using. You can change the icons as for your needs. After that, you can find the check clock in and clock out configurations. You can find the pet scenarios. Also, you can delete the record based on the configuration. You can delete them also. You can directly reset them. Like if you are clocking or clocked out, you can directly delete your data without an issue. You can enable it or disable it based on the server configuration. Same goes to the color threshold. You can select it as the RGB pattern. Then you can find the main duty systems. It is a basic duty system and blip system with the boss menu interactions. You can directly select the theme for the interaction. Also, you can restrict any grade system for the police, like you can directly restrict grade 3 or grade 2 based on the configuration. As for now, I'm not going to restrict anything after that. You can directly configure the duty coordinates. You can add multiple duty coordinates to go on duty. Also, you can enable or disable the pads after that. You can find the boss menu interaction. You can directly select the rank of the police job that you are having, who will access the boss menu for the duty system. Also, you can configure the duty system coordinates through this. Also, you can enable the police station blip or disable it. I'll just leave it on enable. Same thing. Also, you can configure multiple duty systems under this. Here you can see ambulances are also there. You can also use or add forest department based on your configuration. Also, multiple departments as your server needs. Same goes to the reward system. Here you can see you can enable the leaderboard. Also, you can enable the leaderboard reward. If you are at the top of your leaderboard, you will get special reward. Same goes to the leaderboard scenarios and imaging system. You can directly add the customizations into the leaderboard. Like you can directly place a pad to show you the leaderboard. Also, you can directly disable the pad. Same goes to the blip systems after that. You can directly auto clock out live zone. You can directly enable it for the zone selections. Like if you are selected as specific zone, you are automatically clocked in. If you leave the selected zone, you will automatically back on off duty. You can directly enable it or disable it. In our case, I will just disable it for now. Now that's it. You don't need to configure anything on the basic configuration. Just close this file and open your server. Configuration LUA. Here you can find the TX admin configuration. Same goes to the autosave functions. Also, you can select the autosave hours. It will automatically save the duty hours in every 4 hours. In this 4 hours, the database automatically reloaded. You can directly change the configurations, also save them. After that, you can find the webbooks. Same go to the logs and item logs also. You can directly use the Google Sheet for the police configurations. If you are using them, you can directly use that. As for our case, we are not using the Google Sheet. will show you the proper Discord webbook selections after that. You can find the / command for going off duty or on duty can directly enable this commands based on the configurations. We'll just enable it to show you the command. Also, you can see the cooldowns for using this command, so no one gets spammed for that. And after that, you can find the admin command to reset duty hours or delete duty hours for the specific player or the specific job. And you need to enable it also for using the admin system. After that, you can find the on-duty reward or off-duty reward items. Like if you are going on duty, the item will be automatically added into your inventory, and after going off duty, the item will automatically remove. So in our case, we added bandages and radio for going on duty, but we selected radio only for going off duty to remove. Same goes to the ambulance configuration. After that, you can find the reward section for the leaderboard, and in other situations, it's based on the configuration that you are doing. So you can add your own reward, so you don't need to worry about that. Now just close this file. I'll show you the proper duty log, where you can see we added the webbook for the duty logs and duty item logs. So if you are using the Google Sheet, you can use it, but it has a limit of 2 seats. So I'll suggest you, if you are using that webbook, you can get the log into your Discord server easily. It's based on your choice, so after that, just close the file now. Here you can see the theme folder. Open the theme.ua. You can direct your ad, directly add your own theme, and make your own RGB color combination, and just make a unique name and provide that into your configurations. So you can use your theme system also. Now close this section. Now you can find the SQL folder if you are using the manual data injection system. You can directly add the SQL file so you don't need to worry about that. And open the description here. You can find all the basic data and user data. Everything is opened. You can add your own inventory if you want. Same goes to the target system. Also, if you are using any custom code, you can directly add them without any issue. Now that's it. Now we'll just copy it and paste it to your main server directory here. You can see we've already pasted it. Now let's run your server and let's see how the duty script works in game. Hey guys, welcome back to the game. And the Groot Duty System V2 is working properly without any issue. So first of all, after entering the police station, you need to go on duty through this pad. As I am already on duty, I will just make myself off duty. For that, you need to open the duty station, then go on duty. Here you can see a custom text bar with progress bar. Here you can see I added some items like a 1 bandage and radio. You can directly configure the added item as I told you previously in configuration. So you can directly configure it without any issue. Also, same goes to the off-duty system. You can directly select any item to be removed after player goes off duty. As in case we selected the radio, so the radio was removed from my inventory. So you can directly configure it based on your configurations of server. So now just close this. After that, I'll show you the boss menu interaction here. You can see if your grid has the permission of boss, you can directly access it here. You can see proper duty panel system. Here you can see how much time I served in police job, and you can see the duration of every day. So first, 21st August, second, 22nd August, and third is also 23rd August. You can see the difference between the times, and you can also see the last 14 days details and last 30 days details with the date of birth of your character, also the check-in and check-out times, and everything can be controlled. Same goes to the player online or not. You can directly see it from here. After that, you can directly delete the data from this panel. Also, you can directly easily add it from here. Same goes to the duty restart system. You can just click it it will automatically restart the duty hour, and it will start recounting it again. You can directly do it from duty police, delete duty, then add your job, like I am from police, so I can add the police. Same go to you can directly reset the duty through the command. It's for the admin only. They can do it easily without any issue. After that, you can also use the on-duty and off-duty command. Here you can see we are already on duty, so we cannot do the on-duty for now, but we'll just click on off-duty. Here you can see we need to wait for 2 seconds because it has a cooldown. Here you can see I am now off-duty and same item was removed from my inventory. It's working properly without any issue. So you can also select the cooldown based on your server. It's defaultly cooldown selected on 30 to 20 seconds. It's up on you how much cooldown you will select. Here you can see I am got on duty again. And after that, you can find the proper leaderboard system. You can also configure that properly. Here you can see the achievement tab. You can see my total play times are showing here. And after that, you can find the reward section also. And also I got a reward. I'll just click on collect here. You can see I have collected the reward. You can see the progression of player. If you serve 6 hours, you'll get this item. Same go to this. So it's pretty configurable, so you don't need to worry about that. Also, you can earn XP through that. So everything is configurable and very easy to use and very optimal. So you don't have to worry about that. And one more thing, if you are having their previous script that is a advanced paycheck control system, so can directly control the paycheck progression for the duty hour that you served. Like if you select the progress scaling system, you can directly scale your progress through the duty hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you will like our video. I'll see you in my next video.